Government has drafted the National Science and Tech Policy. Draft National Science, Technology and Innovation Policy has uploaded by the Department of Science and Tech on its website. DST has also invited suggestions, inputs and comments for making changes by 25th January. About the National Science, Technology and Innovation Policy. The draft of the 5th National Science, Technology and Innovation Policy has been finalized and is now available for public consultation. The policy, drafted through a 4-track process of consultations during the last 6 months, aims to bring profound changes through the short, medium and long-term mission mode projects by building a nurtured ecosystem that promotes research and innovation on the part of both individuals and organizations. The evolution of STI policies in India are as follows. The first policy on science was adopted in the year 1958. The second policy on science was adopted in year 1983. The third policy on science was adopted in year 2003. The fourth policy on science was adopted in the year 2013. Aim of the policy. It aims to foster, develop and nurture a robust system of evidence and stakeholder-driven STI planning, information, evolution and policy research in India. The objective of the policy is to identify and address strengths and weaknesses of Indian STI ecosystem to catalyze socio-economic development of the country and also make Indian STI ecosystem global competitive. The new policy STIP revolves around the core principles of being decentralized, evidence-informed, bottom-up, expert-driven and inclusive. Also, it aims to bring in the concept of dynamic policy with a robust policy governance mechanism incorporating features such as implementation strategy, periodic review, policy evaluation, feedback and adaptation, and most importantly, a timely exit strategy for various policy instruments. What is the need for 5th Science, Technology and Innovation Policy? The 5th Science, Technology and Innovation Policy is drafted to bring profound changes via short-term, mid-term and long-term mission mode projects by building a nurtured ecosystem that promotes research and innovation on the part of both individuals and organizations.